everyone, in this video I will do my at-home microneedling using the Banisher 3.0, and this is how my skin look. Alright, so by the way, this is the tool. So this is the Banisher 3.0, and I will just disinfect it using the 70% isopropyl alcohol. And by the way, everyone, I will be using two sizes of needles in this video. So I will use the 0.5 millimeter and also the 1 millimeter needle. Yeah, so I will only use the 1 millimeter on my cheeks area, which I have deeper acne scars. And then I will just leave the tool for 5 minutes and let it air dry for 2 minutes. While I am disinfecting the microneedling tool, I will use the Banish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask to exfoliate my skin before doing the procedure. So this part is only optional. This may not work for everyone, especially if you have sensitive skin. Alright, so let me just apply it on my face, and then I will just let it sit for 10 minutes before rinsing it off. Alright, so here I already washed my face. I am ready to start the procedure, and by the way, I will use the 1 millimeter needle first. So same thing on how I use the tool. I will press it first on my skin, then lift it up, then rotate 90 degrees, then press it again on my skin. So I will just press it 5 times on each area of my skin. Alright, so here I already switched the needle length, so I am now using the 0.5 millimeter. So same thing on how I use the 1 millimeter, and I will use it on my entire face. Yeah, so just keep on watching, and I'll be right back once I am done doing the procedure. Alright, so here I am done with the procedure, and this is how my skin look. So after the procedure, first I will apply the Banish serum. So this is with vitamin C and E, which will promote collagen production, which will help to improve the appearance of our acne scars. Plus, it will also help to treat hyperpigmentation, dark spots, or acne marks. And then next is the Banish Fighter Gel. So this is with Centella asiatica, MSM, and Arnica. So I am also applying this product after the procedure to soothe my skin and also to relieve the redness and inflammation on my skin. And then lastly, the Banish Vitamin C Cream. So this is with alpha arbutin, licorice, and vitamin C. So this is a water-based cream with thicker formula for added hydration to replenish our skin barrier. And this has extra skin brightening because of its ingredients. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. So please don't forget to like and share this video. Follow me and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Mwah.